A 2022 Tacoma TRD Off-Road below market value? Here's why this truck is turning heads. Aggressive TRD off-road styling that commands the road, a rugged, dominant stance built for city streets and wild trails, laser-sharp body lines with a flawless, professionally restored finish, versatile 5-foot bed, fully geared for work, gear, or weekend adventures, premium front-end protection keeping that showroom fresh look intact, cockpit perfection, ultra-clean interior meets a rare, engaging 6-speed manual, premium Bilstein 5100 shocks for absolute confidence on any terrain, spotless, rust-free underbody, engineered for long-term peace of mind, professionally replaced frame delivering maximum strength and structural integrity, a pristine, well-maintained engine bay that speaks volumes about its care, complete, transparent documentation ready for the next owner, 42,500 miles, TRD Off-Road 4x4, manual transmission, upgraded suspension, all for just $27,500. Deals like this vanish fast. Act now.